IDEX Pump Technologies Ireland was first opened in 1985 as Viking Pump's European base in order to serve industrial distributors and customers. Since then, IPTI has been serving both European and African markets with Viking Pump's latest technologies. Based in Shannon, Ireland, a commercial hub, Viking Pump customers receive fast delivery and support. In 2020, the Ireland team moved from their original 1,100 square metre building to an over 1,700 square metre newly renovated building, giving them more space for production and shipping, as well as more office space for customer training and support. Roles at IPTI span across many functions, including customer service, accounting, supply chain, quality, shipping and logistics, application engineering, assembly and testing. IPTI uses a well-stocked inventory of $1 million for high-volume products and components delivered from Viking Pump headquarters in Cedar Falls, Iowa for quick delivery or for custom construction. The process for delivering industry-leading positive displacement pumps begins with the customer service and application engineering teams. These teams help distributors and customers select the best product for their specific process needs. With a solution identified, an order is then placed. If the product is in stock, the team ships that product along with any additional drive equipment like couplings or motors. If the solution requires a custom or unique build, the order moves to assembly. With over 175 years of production experience, the assembly team takes the engineering specification, pulls parts from inventory, and assembles each pump. Assembled pumps are then tested to ensure they meet the specific customer requirements. Tests may include hydrostatic or performance tests, material certification, IDEX and EC 1935 certifications are also available. Once testing is complete, the pump then receives a coat of Viking blue paint and is shipped to distributors and customers across Europe and Africa. IPTI can ship product in as little as 1 to 2 days in order to meet demand and has the flexibility to meet the most specific customer requirements. To learn more about IDEX Pump Technologies Ireland or any of Viking Pump's global locations, please visit our website at vikingpump.com.